Hi guys, welcome to the website. We're here at Dental Health Associates in Sylvania, Ohio. What I'd like to do today is have you join me for a little tour. I want you to get an idea of why Dental Health Associates is so different and why you're absolutely going to love the experience. Okay? Come on, let's go see what it's about. Hi there.
Hello.
My wife and I were just thinking about changing dentists, and we thought we would come here and give everybody else the same experience that they will get when they first arrive. So wondered if you could give us a little tour?
Sure, we could do that. My name is Linda.
Linda, hi. Thank you.
Welcome to the office. Hi, I'm Heidi.
Heidi, hi. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you. You can come on in.
We'd love to have that tour, you said.
Sure.
Oh, Sam, look at these stickers. That's great.
These are all our stickers.
These are all for the adults, right?
For the adults.
Yeah, exactly.
For the kids that are good.
Yeah, there you go.
However, in this area is obviously our kids area waiting room. We have the functional pinball machine. We also
Somebody's
offer a video
a
game.
Star Wars nuts not in this room. Look at all the Star Wars
That would be
stuff.
our Dr. Hunsinger. He is a big Star Wars fan.
What are all these pictures of kids?
All these pictures are kids that have came in our office in the last 2 to 3 months that have had no cavities. This is our no cavity club.
The No Cavity Club.
We pull a name about once every 3 months, quarterly, and at that time, any of the kids are qualified to win a gift certificate or possibly even an iPod or different gifts that we give away.
That's pretty fun. This is obviously a kid's room. We've got the small chairs, the TV, the gaming stations, and everything. So this is when the kids come. This is where you're going to drop them off, and then they'll do this until. Now, teeth cleaning to a lot of people, that's not a big deal. Some people, I guess there's a couple different groups of people when they come to a dentist office, they're not sure, like, oh boy, I really like it, I don't mind it a bit. Then you have the other group, it's like they get white knuckled thinking about coming in. Now, the teeth cleaning is not so bad, but as we go back here, this is the, where a lot of people get a little concerned, and you're not going to believe some of the things they have here to make you comfortable.
And down in this area is where we see most of the restorative rooms.
What's restorative mean?
Anytime that you need any work done with your teeth, a filling, crown, or any kind of maintenance on your teeth.
Okay, got it, good.
And we're going to come right into here. This is one of our treatment rooms.
Well, these chairs are a lot different than the ones I was familiar with. This looks like a lazy boy chair.
It's definitely not the place that you want to be, so if you're comfortable, you can ease it up a little bit. All our x-rays are digital, so they come out on the computer screen. We have the ability to modify the x-rays so that we get a better view.
I have to tell you, I saw this sitting here. This is going to crack me up. I'm actually going to, Sam, I got to take my glasses off, but holy cow. Now this is when you're going to sit in the chair, but you don't want to know what's going on. I can watch my own movie. I got my headset, and I can see everything right on here. I don't have to pay attention to the world. I can just ignore it, and they can work on my teeth, and I can watch a movie.
Correct. And
if that's what you want to do.
And since the goggles cover your eyes, when you open your eyes, all you see is the screen. So it's almost like being at the movies.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, now I see this other screen flipping over here.
This screen is, some people just don't have the time to be at the dentist and then come back 2 weeks later to have a crown seated. So what this machine is sometimes we can fabricate a crown within the same day, same visit. It's a computer program that actually takes a picture of the tooth, so there's no modeling, there's no impressions for people that don't like to have all that stuff in their mouth.
I've got some experience with this because I have had a few crowns put in, and back when I had it done a few years ago, you'd come in and they'd take an impression one day, a week later they put a temporary in, a week later you'd come back and maybe they had it finished, and at that point they'd put something in, and sometimes the color matched, sometimes it didn't match, you had to come back and they'd tint it to the right color for the rest of your teeth. It was a 2 or 3 week process, and with this, one day. You come in for the appointment, they create the tooth that's going to cover what you currently have, and all of a sudden you've got a perfect match. It's going to be, this is really revolutionary.
Correct. And this actually helps so that you're here probably approximately an hour and a half to 2 hour appointment, and then you're done.
That's really cool.
We also have, for the people that don't like to have the glasses on their eyes or on their head, we also have a screen here where it turns into the TV. So then you don't have to have...
Well, here, I'm going to sit in the lazy boy. Oh my gosh, this really is comfortable.
So then you can actually watch TV at your free will without anything attached to you.
Oh, that's funny.
For people that don't like to have, the women that wouldn't want their hair messed up or anything.
And some people, I don't even want to know if I'm here.
Correct.
I want the drugs.
And we do have sedation available also for patients that would rather just be asleep during the procedures.
All right, now to go along with the TV monitor you just saw, if there's a movie you like, we have it here. And if we don't have it here, you can bring it from home. And you can
Correct.
watch it on the DVD player while you're in the chair. Pretty amazing.
And in this area, obviously, is where we sterilize all our instruments.
Okay.
We have two autoclaves, which are steamed high heat autoclaves.
So it just sterilizes stuff.
Sterilizes
Yeah,
stuff.
okay.
We also have a chemical autoclave that sterilizes things like pliers that can't be moisture controlled.
Yeah.
We also have what's considered a statum, which is just a quicker way to sterilize things. If we need something in a hurry, it gets up to a higher heat quicker. And then the dry heat sterilizer, which is just for some of our instruments that come out
Some of the quick heat stuff we could use at my house for my wife's cooking. Yeah.
Correct. And in this area here is the Panorex room where we take all digital Panorexes. This is used not only for restorative reasons, but it's also used for orthodontic reasons.
You call this Panorex?
Panorex, correct. And what this does is it shows us a full view of all your teeth, the roots of your teeth, and it also shows us the jaw joints and TMJ joints.
Do they
of all
still
the
do
teeth.
X-rays in the chair?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
All
So this is for different. This is to get a
usually
360 view.
360 view
So
of
somebody
the mouth.
just comes in and puts their chin here, and then somebody pushes a button.
Correct.
Okay.
And then this unit revolves around the head, kind of like we're almost scanning your brain.
Well, this is a stand-up MRI for me. Now this looks like a real workroom. I think a lot of things get done in here.
This is definitely, we have an on-set crown and bridge lab so that the crowns that cannot be fabricated in the one day with this special CEREC machine, we have where we can turn it over in a 2 to 3 week period. The good thing about having the lab on site though is that if you do have a shade problem, like instance,
If something's uncomfortable,
they're able to come down, they can do custom shading right in the office, so we can match it while you're here and you don't have to make a separate appointment.
and believe me, that's important. When you leave here, you want to look good.
Correct. All right, Tom, we're going to come right over here to Linda and she will take care of you and get you any further appointments scheduled.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, I hope you
good to meet
enjoyed your visit.
Absolutely. Wonderful.
Bye-bye.
This has been a really great tour. Thank you very, very much.
You are so welcome.
My family looks, I think we're going to be here to see you.
Well, great. We'll be happy to see everyone.
Perfect. Well, I guess that's the end of our tour, and that's the end of my game. So at this point, the folks here at Dental Health Associates looks forward to you coming in to see them.